They are bringing us in.
When the hell was you going to tell me?
Oops.
Este es un día de carrete acá en la sala. Lo estamos pasando muy bien lo estamos pasando. Estamos viendo el Día de la Independencia. Acá están mis amigos vacilando. Observémoslos.
Algunos tardan en entender.
Nótese la vela. Acá hay uno.
Por eso, queremos repetir
Está muy
la última
entretenido.
temporada completa. Ya casi termina.
Este está casi reaccionando.
Los Simpson. Todos los domingos, desde las 20 horas. Por Fox. La gente sigue diciendo mentiras. Eso nunca cambia.
You're an awful liar.
Pero la vida de ellos sí cambió un poco.
Good morning. I've come back into season 2, newly divorced. I'm wearing pink today, Carol, pink, because I like pink. It makes me happy. It'll be fun to see what happens to Foster. There's a side of Foster that we haven't seen before, the dating side of Foster. What do you think?
You don't want to know what I think.
Hey!
Well, there is a line. There's a line that Foster and the Batman shouldn't cross.
Can I sleep in your spare bedroom tonight if it's not too much of a problem?
Or there isn't. And then we're dancing all over that.
Playing off of Tim is very easy. We just kind of jump in the stream and it's there, and we play off of each other with a lot of enjoyment.
Don't do that. You know I hate it when you do that.
We've got Reynolds, we've got the
Estamos preparando un nuevo
FBI
tema
here at a regular
para la
capacity.
tocata. Acá estamos
So we've
ensayando.
got some muscle to back up our sort of aggressive tactics.
You're going to tell me everything I want to know right now.
One key difference this season is the stories have a lot more adrenaline to them and really push the characters to the edge of their boundaries.
Una nueva temporada.